Today I will show you that how you can easily update X or Twitter on your phone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all you'll have to open up the App Store or Play Store on your phone. Then you'll have to tap on search bar and search Twitter or X, and you'll have to tap on it, and if it says update you can simply tap on update and update X to the latest version. But in some cases it may say open, but you still don't have access to some of the latest features, or you're still facing some bugs and glitches in the app. So in that case you'll have to head over to the settings to forcefully update the app to the latest version. Then you'll have to tap on general. If you're on an Android you'll have to go to settings and then apps, and then you'll have to look for X application like this. And what you'll have to do is to tap on offload app. One thing that you'll have to keep in mind that it will not delete any one of your personal files. It will only delete cache files, which will help you to remove glitches and bugs from the app, and it will also forcefully update the app to the latest version. So you'll have to tap on offload app. Now it will take some time, and then you'll have to tap on reinstall app, and it will be forcefully updated to the latest version. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.